Hi guys! So pinagluto ako ng boyfriend ko ng mushroom. At pagluluto din siya ng mahal, what do you cook here?
Chicken.
Chicken. And mine is mushroom. But mahal, I don't eat rice because I just finished eating big fish.
We did eat a big fish.
Very big fish. My boyfriend is just not handsome, but he is also a very good cook. Like, very delicious cook. And I always in love with
Now
him.
you think, huh? Why he throws a little bit water inside?
Yeah, why did you put a little bit of water?
Because water, what does water? It vaporizes, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but
So it's gonna steam.
I thought mushroom can produce its own water. You
There
told
is
me before.
there is water inside. What is coming out? But I
Oh.
put a little bit of water inside because the steam it will go
Eh,
faster
Vaporize.
vaporize. Yeah.
Oh.
No, not
Well.
it goes not faster vaporize, but it goes faster like
Dry?
finish.
Yeah, okay. And you make the chicken. We have lots of chicken in the fridge already, right? So we should not buy anything again for tomorrow or Monday until next week. Ooh. Delicious na lang. Oh my God.
This is enough, huh? Like this.
Dapat guys magkasama yan sila.